to hear. If you're watching this, you most likely are interested in knowing about a program called $25 One Up that pays instant commissions of $25, $125, $250, $500, and $1,000. I'm going to share with you in this video my experience, how you can make this system work for you, so that if you are watching this to be able to create income from home using an automated system, you can be able to do the same for you. So that said, I want to first say that I've made at this point over $24,000 with this system from home, from my bedroom where I am right now. And that's been awesome. I got started with this system initially because I was in a job that I just absolutely hated. And this system, first of all, because it's an automated vehicle, all I had to do was get out there and do some simple tasks every single day, and then let traffic and visitors go to my website or to my link, my capture page, and my system did the presenting, the selling, and explaining. It did that part. Okay, and that's what I show other people to create for themselves. So while you're busy, while you're taking care of your kids, maybe homeschooling your kids, doing things like that, you could have a system behind the scenes that is doing that for you. I think that now is a great time for people to learn how to do that for themselves, to set up automated income vehicles or semi-automated income vehicles for themselves, so that it can do what they needed to do. Yesterday, I had a $100 commission roll in while I was sitting in my bed. I literally was sitting in my bed. Okay, I've been doing a lot of that lately, and a $100 commission rolled in. And that's what I love about this program. There's no monthly fees with this. Okay, no monthly fees. And that's what I love about it, is that you can literally come in, no monthly fees, and you can earn and be in profit mode over and over and over again. Okay, this program is worldwide. Okay, the program's called $25 One Up. It's worldwide. Okay, all around the world you can use this system. Okay. And the system has lots of pre-done funnels already for you. If you don't know what a funnel is, it means that there's a capture page, so that, like, if you're on YouTube or you're on Facebook and somebody says, hey, I want to do that, you know, you can send them your link and their name and email goes into your capture page system. And the system also has a lot of tools to make your marketing easier and easier for you to generate commissions. Okay, things like you can broadcast from your back office, to send emails to people who came in through your system, say, hey, you know, just to stay connected, right, with the people that are in the system. The system is also chock full of training. So, you know, one thing that I've been talking about a lot, and I've been talking about it for forever, is that one of the ways in 2020, and really for forever, to make money online is to learn marketing skill sets. Learning how to leverage things like Facebook to be able to market online and doing it the right way. Learning how to leverage platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Okay, that said, when you purchase a package with this system, you're going to get access to that exact training. And guess what, my friend? I'm going to teach you another way to make extra money with this system. If you are implementing the knowledge that is in that training that you get in your back office when you purchase a package, again, the packages are $225, $125, $250, $500, $1,000. If you're utilizing that knowledge, all you have to do is go create a PDF and sell it. How to create a YouTube channel and start earning your first commissions online. I just taught you how to monetize a different way. The training that is back there is valuable. Okay, so in addition to getting the opportunity to make instant commissions, the knowledge is actually more profitable than the ability to make commissions itself. I hope that makes sense to you, my friend. So I love this program. I know that a lot of people are also winning with this program as well. Somewhere over here, I'll put some proof so that you guys can see that other people are making commissions with this program. I want to talk about how I help people utilize this program to earn commissions. Okay, so if people say, hey, you know, I like this, I like what I see, I like the ability to earn, you know, instant commissions. So how do I get started with this? Okay, so it's very simple. First, you make a decision what you want, what level you want to earn at, what package level you want to earn at. Okay, so let's say that you know, for my team, everyone who comes into my team comes in platinum or higher. And that's for a reason. I give amazing training and amazing supports to people who come in platinum or higher. Okay, so like, let's say for $125 plus a $10 admin fee, you can start a business in a box. Okay, Now there is a lower package. You could go ahead and get started there, but everyone on my team comes in platinum or higher, okay? And like on the supports that I give are to help them learn how to be better marketers. So every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have a training for my team members and my team members, and I'm going over things like how to do simple videos like this on YouTube and have it paying you passive profits for whatever it is that you're promoting, whether it's $25 one up or another program. I'm teaching them what I'm doing on Facebook. I'm showing them, you know, how to get their time management and productivity together. These are the entrepreneurship skill sets. I'm showing them how to monetize multiple streams, okay? Things that I know that I've invested lots of information and time, blood, sweat, tears, and knowledge into, and I'm giving it back to my Team Cash Blueprint community, okay? And there will also be some testimonials where you can see what my members say about that as well. So that's the dirty, right? That's the quick and dirty, okay? About how it works. It's not complicated. It's a simple decision. There's no monthly fees, and I love it. Now, last thing that I want to talk about with this program is one of my favorite things about this program, and I've been talking about this a lot recently as well. One thing that's very important is that whatever income streams that you select, that you decide you want to position within your business as an opportunity for you to make money, you need to make sure that there's some leverage built in, or you're going to be working extra hard. One of the ways that I've been able to make $24,000 with this system is not because I'm like super smart or I'm like super great at marketing, because sometimes my marketing sucks. But it's because that this program has leverage built in. What that means is one of the bonus ways that you can earn commissions is what are called pass-up commissions, okay? So that means that for every referral that comes into this system, okay? So 𝐑𝐞𝐜, you know, does a simple video like this. Someone says, oh, I want to join that with 𝐸𝐻𝐻. I want to partner with Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐻. Okay, great. Person B partners with me because of a video that I made, okay? I get an instant commission immediately of $125 or $250 or $500 or $1,000, right? I get that commission instantly, okay? Now, when person B, because I plug them into my Thursday night Team Cash Blueprint trainings and they know what to do and they understand some simple strategies that they can do on social media, and they go out and do it, their first commission or keep, their second one gets passed up to me, and the same thing happens to them when they help their next person. That's why I love this program. I was not able to do it on my own. I was able to do it because I helped my team win. And I believe that this program specifically, and programs like it that are structured the right way, have a built-in incentive for you to help your people. If, you know, people who are making great commissions, most likely they got there by helping the people underneath them know what to do to make great commissions. They're given trainings, this, that, and other. They're plugging their people in, and they're keeping it simple. So that's my last piece of advice. If you're ready to get started and you're ready for your blueprint, I have a 14-day blueprint to show people what to do to get visibility on social media quicker, and to understand what simple things they should be doing on social media to get traction, create leads and sales. And again, I have a built-in community, and I have a Thursday night trainings for my team members. So, and I want to say that, you know, of recent, that was specifically for my diamond to higher members, and just recently started, you know, because of what's happening, just allowing people at the platinum level to come into that community, and they are loving it. Okay, so that's it. You know, go ahead and get positioned, and then message me. My contact information is below. Say, hey Shan, I just got in, and we'll get you plugged into your resources. Let's make 2020 the year where you use automated income vehicles, where you have some leverage, and you start learning how to use social media to your advantage, because it literally is an ATM if you know what to do and how to do it. Bye guys, subscribe.